Today I am going to show Neverinstall. It's on cloud computing. Very good features, advanced AI features are added, and even Windows 11 is supported in this new feature, new AI Neverinstall. So open browser and type there as Neverinstall. And here you can see Neverinstall, your personal cloud computer is there, powered by AI. So just click on it. Your personal cloud computer get started for free is there. Just click on it. See here, after opening you can see all apps, dev tools is there, and productivity, design, utility, many are there. So VLC, Chrome, and Canva is there, and AutoCAD is there, and many are there, Opera and Spotty. Just I am selecting some of the apps and choose operating system like Windows, and before it was not there. For Windows 11 it was not there, and now here we can see Windows 11 is there. And just to scroll down, and we'll select for a country, create space. You can go with continue with Google. And here Windows 11, launching Windows 11, experience blazing fast Windows OS on the cloud launch, cloud link, and Windows is coming soon. So just right click, right arrow, and settings, dock settings, and tour. So here we can see some of the apps which I am going to select, and we'll check for it. And here we can see up AI is there. So here choose operating system, and now Windows 11. GitHub I selected, and Windows I selected, and create space. Cloud setup underway. We can see here, take your AI companion anywhere you go. Your personalized cloud environment is in the process of installation. So here you can see Neverinstall has been there, and you take your AI companion. World first AI, use CloudLink for more power. Here you can see applications, and almost it has been completed downloading your space. And here we can see here, choose privacy setting for your device, and Microsoft puts you in control your privacy. Choose your setting, accept to save them. You can change the settings at any time. Find my device. Windows won't be able to help you any. Yes, I'll enable it. Why not? And required only, keep Windows secure and up to date. Okay, I'm just enabling every option because it's good to enable all the options. and send optional linking and typing diagnostic data to Microsoft. So here just read for privacy setting for your device and next, and here you can see some of the features right side. Okay, I'm going to accept it. Just okay, advertising ID. See here, we can see with the new features and all, and edge setting, file explorer, all apps. Here you can see quick access, favorite, recent, downloads, music, pictures, desktop, document, videos. So this way you can open it your desktop and you can check for all the advanced features whichever we got in this Neverinstall. So hope this video is good and somewhat informative. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. And here you can see temporary storage D is there, and Windows C, DVD drive E. Welcome to Neverinstall. Here AI assistant is there. So use these advanced features. Thank you.